Hey, it's Sam R. Is it just me? New York is still dealing with the aftermath of the recent blizzard. City officials say about 10,000 households lost power, and around 8,000 have already been restored. Emergency shelters are operating, and more than 2,500 snow workers have been rotating through 12-hour shifts. Crews report that about 99% of major roads have been cleared at least once. The city is also hiring emergency snow removal workers, paying around $30 an hour to help restore normal operations. There's been some public back and forth about the program, but at the core of it, this seems focused on safety and getting the city moving again. If you're in New York, does it feel like things are stabilizing? I'm just listening.